Today we're going to be doing 11.682, finding the area of these irregular shapes. Kind of like puzzles, you have to kind of break them down and see what you can find. Well, I think on this one here, we'll start with the way I look at that. I know some people might look and try to find triangles in a rectangle, but I see two trapezoids. So let's see if we have the measurements to do that. 1/2 the height times the base plus the base would be the area of a trapezoid. So do I have the height? Yes, if this is 6, half of that will be 3, so it'll be 3 times, and this base here is 5.5, that's the top. We have to add this, which is 8. So that's really the same as 3 times 5.5 plus 8, that's going to be 13.5. 3 times 13 is 39. 3 times 0.5 is 0.5, so this would be 40.5. And then that would be for the top, but we have to take that times 2 to double that. So 40 times 2 is 80. Plus the extra half, so I got 81 on this one. I'm going to run those numbers on a calculator because I did it in my head. So 5.5 plus 8 equals, there's the 13.5, take that times 3, and I've got 40.5, take that times 2, I've got 81. So this would be 81 feet squared, 81 feet squared. We'll do the second one here. I pasted in a sticky note, so I have a little workspace here. It's getting kind of crowded. You know what? I don't think that belongs to that. So how are we going to do this one? Well, let's see. I suppose we could do a couple of triangles. Do we have the measurements to do that? I don't know. We've got the height here, so you know what? I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to find the area of this entire rectangle, and then I can subtract out the triangle. See what I'm saying? So we're going to do 9.3 times 7.8, and that's going to give me this entire rectangle here. And then I'm going to take the area of the triangle and I'll subtract it. I'm going to work backwards. I like this problem. So 9.3. Take that times 7.8 equals 72.54. Okay, so that's the rectangle. So now let's just find out what the area of that triangle is. Well, we've got the height here of, I wrote over the top of it. Let me just see if I can go back and see what that height is. Alright, I just wanted to double check that there wasn't a measurement inside there too. It's just this 3 meters up on top. So basically we have this triangle, I'm drawing it upside down here, that looks like this. In this direction here, this height is 3, and then the base is going to be the same as this down here, so 7.8. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. 3 times 7.8, that's going to give me 3 times 7.8 will give me 23.4. I have to divide that by 2 because this is a triangle, and it equals 11.7. So if I take that 72 right here, 72.54, and I subtract out the triangle 11.7, I will have the area of this 60.84, and that is going to be in millimeters squared. Let's just talk about some of these other ones. This one here, you know, you can see it. I can see a triangle and a circle. Here I can see a circle and a rectangle. This one down here, I'd probably look at 2 parallelograms. Hopefully you have the information to do that. Just taking a look at that. Do you have the height of that? You have 8 and you have 9. Yeah, you should be able to figure out the basis for that this little parallelogram and do that too. So, alrighty, that'll work. Good luck.